Sister number 1, si Teddy.
Oh my goodness, I'm so smart.
Sister number 2, si Bobby.
You love my ass.
Sister number 3, si Alex.
I love my life. Woo!
Sister number 4, si Gabby.
Dear classrooms now.
And the baby of the family, si CJ.
I'm getting married! Pagpapakasal!
Hindi kayo nakulang or nagayong Bunteji? Kahit ano pa man ang opinion natin.
Kailangan nating pumunta para sa big event.
Anak! Nice! Anak!
Ikaw ba sigurado ka ba sa babaeng papakasalan mo? Oo naman ate. Eh chararat daw yun, sabi nitong si Alex. Chararat?
Chararat! Chararat yung Shakti.
Pinaganda mo pa, pangit. I love you, my love.
Good morning, sir.
The old man,
Alex.
the black sheep of the family, the main in Spain,
Maid?
Bobby.
the new worker, caregiver.
I am corporate communication manager. I am required to have an extensive vocabulary, so I never use inane and poorly worded language like black sheep and old maid to describe the people I just met.
Nakaka-no-speed naman.
Hello! Welcome! I'm Jonel! Hindi Jonel! Jonel!
Ita sa princess ko?
Speaking of the princess, the devil! The shining, shimmering, splending Princess Antoinette!
Are the sisters ready to let him go?
You have to do something. I mean, stop that.
Are the sisters trying to fix their brother's life?
So may plano kayo, kayong lahat. So ano yung plano nyo na yun ha?
May pa-realize sa'yo na hindi ka dapat magpakasal kay princess.
Or do they need to fix their own?
Kapag ikaw ang nagbiro, kahit masakit, okay lang.
Kaya nga joke yun, kaya dapat di ka masasaktan dun.
Don't give comments about my personal life because I don't give comments about yours. Mag-away oras mo ba nakita ngayon? Why do I need to take sides? Tama na! Tanong na ako! Hindi mo ba ginagamit ang otak mo? Oh my God!
Oo na! Walpak ka eh!
Nag-nerd ka! Anyap-anyap ka! Oh my God! Oh! Talaga! Oh! Anyap-anyap! Di ko naman kasalanan yun! Kasalanan mo yun!
Wag mo na kasi ulitin.
Nag-aaway ba kayo? Hindi ma. Naglalaro lang po kami. Charades ma. Charades ma.
As Star Cinema celebrates 20 years of bringing life, love, and hope on the big screen, we proudly present, for the first time, a gathering of today's biggest stars on film, Four Sisters and a Wedding. A film by Kathy Garcia Molina, June 26 in cinemas.
The shining, shimmering, splendid.
Anong chararat?
Chararat! Yung chararat!
1, 2, 3, go!
Bunteji?